and welcome to the Toast channel. This is toastchan and I talk about all things weeb related, fun Japanese content, and fashion stuff all for you. So today I'm going to be unboxing a Lollipop Lullaby purchase that I made. It is my first time ordering from them. They're a small Japanese brand and I'm excited to see what we have in store. Oh! My goodness. This inner packaging is so cute. They've got my name on the back sticker, so I've got that covered. There's like a cute little sticker that says like Lollipop Lullaby and it's like customized. So I might have like a custom note or something in here too. Ooh. First glimpse in. Okay. Oh, there's little extras! Ah. Whoa! Okay, now I'm curious to see what the little extras are. I have to see. So there's a sticker again. What is this? What? Oh, okay. Extra buttons. What? They've included a little bit of extra buttons for the dress. Always handy. You know, maybe I'll sew them to the inside, that way they don't just get jumbled around in my sewing drawer and get lost. But, nice to have. Alright, perfect. They also included a little extra tote bag. I want to see what the design is. It's their classic, like, Lollipop Lullaby sheep. And it's like a light lavender kind of color tote bag. It's kind of small. It's too small for like shopping with. So maybe, well I guess yeah, too small for grocery shopping with. I guess just a casual tote bag that I can carry to meets. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna put, or maybe I'll just use it for storage at home. IDK, but like, okay, there's a cute bag. On to the main event. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, their Cathedral dress. And the size I got is size 2, as you can see from the sticker. I hope that this will work out well. You know, I feel like I will have better luck since it's short sleeves, so I don't have to worry about my like tall, long arms ruining this. This is, oh, very daring. So there's no shirring, but there is a back ribbon. So you can kind of see that. So, I do really like this print. It's got, before I flip the whole table over, it's got like a little cathedral on it. It's got their logo Lollipop Lullaby under that cathedral. It's got like a close-up of a stained glass window, some angel wings, and ribbons. I guess I'll put a close-up photo so you can see this as well. But yeah, I love what I'm seeing so far. The material is really soft and kind of flowy. Is this polyester? I'll have to find the tag. Oh snap! Okay, there's no lining, but oh my god, pockets? What? What? Pockets. Such a good feature. Okay. And interestingly enough, all the buttons on the front are functional, so these are not like decorative buttons that are like sewn closed or anything. These are all functional buttons. The lace on the bottom it's kind of like a rougher material, but it still looks really nice. I mean, it's not, I wouldn't say it's my favorite lace because you know how usually like a lot of the big brands like Baby or Angelic Pretty will have custom lace that's pretty soft. This lace is like a little bit on the rougher side, but it's not too rough. It's like in the middle, I guess. Same with the lace. It's the same as the lace on the collar. So so you can kind of see that. I do really like this back detailing on the collar. These angel wings, like this embroidery is really cool. I don't know, like little embroidered details just really stand out for me. Because a lot of times, you know, a brand will have like a nice print, but then their stitch work might be off or whatever. One more thing is the print matching along the center of the dress. The front ribbon and the front ribbons are both removable as well. So that comes with like a little detachable. And I love that little charm on the front. It has two doves at the bottom of this ribbon charm. So yeah, the hype and the anticipation is set. The next thing, I guess, is just to try this on and tell you guys how it went. I'm feeling really, this is actually really comfortable. Like, actually just getting out of my Baby the Star Shine Bright JSK, oh my gosh, that I realized that was such a huge issue. That, like, getting into it, oh boy. Actually, no, I'll save that for the other one. I'll talk about that. But in any case, oh man, this is really actually comfortable. There's a lot of, like, extra, so you can't see it, the extra buttons, like there's like a snap that helps reinforce these areas where it's kind of a little, like, it would have probably popped open. So that's really handy. Of course, like I mentioned, all the ribbons are removable, so I was able to detach it and put it back. I thought there might be like a side zipper or something in addition to these buttons, but no, it's just like you open the buttons to get in and out, and there's no extra zippers or shirring or anything, but it still works out really well. I love how floofy it is. There's so much extra material, so you can easily floof around or like spin the skirt. It's very satisfying. And yeah, like there's actually enough room for my like large arms, so I appreciate this. Thank you, Lollipop Lullaby. You're here for me. I didn't show you guys already this really cute note. It has my real name, so I guess I'll just do that. But it's great. It's really adorable. On the back, oh yeah, also they drew a little toast. It's great. They said laundry care, hand wash okay, machine wash cold, tumble dry, gentle cycle. So that's great, you know. You always love Lolita, that's easy to care for, and you can machine wash it, so hey, I love it. Other than that, I just really enjoyed trying on this dress. It was this was a very satisfying experience. The length is also really good too, so there's that. For tall Lolitas, this was a good find. Like, it actually reached my knee. Other than that, yeah, I don't know. I really like this color. The black is actually, another thing I noticed is the black is kind of grayish. So you can easily, so the black kind of stands out even more on black and white items if you have that to match it with. All in all, a really good buy. I had fun, you know, buying from Lollipop Lullaby. It came pretty quickly. But yeah, great overall dress. Recommend their, well, you know, so this is just one of their daywear items, but they also do have sleepwear, casual, etc., etc. So I might try that out later. Thank you for joining me in all my toasty buns on this adventure of unboxing and trying on Lollipop Lullaby. Hopefully you'll like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.